So this is the new project. The mainspring was broke, just kept turning over, so I decided I might as well just do a whole motor job redo. Do everything, look it over, clean it. There's all the parts and bits. Over here, there's the mainspring. I looked for a good long while on trying to see how I could get this out, and I didn't see anything, so I just kind of had to see what I could do. And it's held in with a screw on the inside, and on the outside it has a loop right here. Where this button is, there's a loop inside there, and that's just where it hooks. So inside here you can see there's a notch, and that just fits over that little button and keeps it tensioned. So if anybody's watching this, hope it helps out. I know it would have helped me out a lot, but you do what you can. These springs, you gotta watch out for these springs. They like to come undone on you, which is what happened here. It came apart on me, and I had to kind of monkey it around until it finally undid itself. You can see where it broke here. There's what's left of the grease on it. Yeah. Well, I think that's about it.